dose of love from the trees with Stevenson here. Learning to accentuate you. Learning to place yourself first when you rise is exciting to your heart, is exciting to the now energy that exists around you. For you will propagate this feeling. This will multiply by thousands the feeling within you, the feelings within your heart. So take care of your heart the first thing in the morning and set it straight. Keep it in check and in balance and connected to the earth's force. As when you co-create with the earth's force, you co-create an imaginative world that will exist before you know it.